Sabaydi, hello everybody. Today Sima head goi pa no fish salad, and I'm gonna show you step by step. I got a tilapia from the bag, and they have on everything's ready already. I gotta do really easy. Tilapia you have to cut like this, small bite, and after that you have to cook with the hot water until the fish cook. You know how to make a fish salad or goi pa? Just follow me, Naly kitchen, okay? Water is boiling. I'm gonna add some fish. You see it? The fish I'm gonna cook. Add to the pot. Don't make overcook, okay? When you know the fish is cooked, just take it out. Don't overcook. Okay? And mix a little bit. The fish is cooked. I just take it out, okay? This kind of goi have a little bit juicy, okay? It's done, okay? See? And after that, the soup to add to the anchovy, little bit. Because luak man hana bo hai man dip hana. You know, I want the anchovy to be cooked a little bit. Ingredient together, I'm gonna show you what I have in here, okay? The fish is cooked, okay? And lime leaf, onion, lemon, lime, kila, whatever you like. This one is pak hompe, okay? And Thai chili, kalanka, and cilantro. Fish sauce, anchovy cooked, chili powder, rice powder, and MSG, salt, and fish sauce, okay, and meat. Alright guys, and come mix everything together with me, okay? I'm gonna add all ingredients together here because I don't wanna mix with the fish right now because the fish gonna be soggy, okay? The first thing I'm gonna add a teaspoon of MSG, half teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of fish sauce, and tablespoon of anchovy. You have to have anchovy, even a tablespoon and a half. If you don't have anchovy, not gonna be good because this is the fish, okay? And mix first. Lime, you can use either one, lime or key lime or lemon, okay? And mix and add to the fish. You know why you have to do like this? Because the fish gonna be soggy later on. You know, that's why I add like this, okay? And after that, I add some chili powder, galangal, and lime leaf, and red onion, okay? And mix gentle, okay? Don't do too hard. Mix like this. See? Oh my god, looks so good. If you need more lemon or lime or key lime, you can add some more later on. If you need everything, you need spice or something like that, you add later. Let me see, let me taste. After that, add the rice powder. The main thing, this one, okay? Rice powder is make the best food. And a hompe, I don't know how to call it in English, but Pak Lao they call hompe, okay? And mix. Oh god, you guys look so good. Look at that. Really yummy. Better. I add like this, the chili. Who like to eat bite? You don't like to, just put them out, okay? Let me taste again. Really good, really good. Okay, after that, cilantro. Okay, and mix again อันนี้เขาห้องว่าอันก้อยปลาเด้อโอเค fish salad แบบ have a small juicy you know okay everybody it's done nowเห็นปะอันนี้ก้อยปลานิล this is the tilapia salad ปลาเด้อ this is the fish salad tilapia salad is done you guys try some at home okay and let me know how it turned out for you it's really easy and really quickly okay that's all for tilapia salad today and เราได้ขอก้อยปลาเนาะis แบบง่ายๆแบบ really easy really quickly I do really easy for you to see and ง่ายที่สุดอันนี้นะ you know แบบ you can get any kind of fish at the store you can use it a filet or you can use it tilapia you can use a catfish or any kind of you want to use you know please follow Naly Kitchen like and subscribe for me you guys and have a good night okay bye bye try some at home and let me know how it turned out for you okay bye bye